Hello magical friends, I am your friend, mentor and law of attraction coach Magical Mohit, and today I am going to talk about a very powerful topic. What are the benefits of self love? Yes, बहुत लोगों ने सेल्फ लव के बारे में सुना होगा एंड आजकल बहुत लोग मेंटल हेल्थ, सेल्फ लव, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के बारे में बातें करना शुरू कर दिए, बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज सेल्फ लव एंड सेल्फ लव प्रैक्टिस करने से आपको क्या बेनिफिट होगा. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दिस इन डिटेल एंड the first thing that I want to cover today is what exactly is self love. Yes, so आपने सुना होगा कि खुद से प्यार करना चाहिए. आपने बहुत कुछ सुना होगा कि खुद का आपको खुद की हैप्पीनेस को you should make your happiness your number one priority, right? So that is actually self love, and lot of people are also confused, like what is the difference between being selfish and what is the difference between being having that self love. So there is a lot of confusion in the people's mind, and that is the reason why I have made this video only for you. So let me start with what exactly is self-love. So जैसे ही you all know that when you love someone, you do a lot of things for them, you really appreciate them, you accept them for who they are. उसी तरीके से when you love yourself, when you accept yourself for who you are, when you do things like when you pamper yourself, when you do things that you will never do for anyone else, just only for the people whom you love, that is what self love is. अगर आप खुद की happiness को number one priority बनाते हो, if you feel that yes, I am the most special person in the world, if you treat yourself like you are the king of the world or you are the queen of the world, you pamper yourself, you do things that makes you happy, and you also help people around you, that is called self love. And it is very important because हमारी जो society है, especially in India, we are always being taught to treat others well. घर पे कोई भी मेहमान आते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं अच्छी तरह से ट्रीट करो, मेहमान भगवान होता है. हम जब हमारे घर पे कोई भी गेस्ट आते हैं तो वी कुक लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स फॉर देम, वी रिस्पेक्ट देम, वी टॉक देम विद लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट, वी ट्रीट देम विद लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट, बट वी आर नेवर टॉट टू डू दैट विद अवर सेल्व्स, राइट? हम लोग खुद को उतना अच्छी तरीके से ट्रीट नहीं करते जितना हम दूसरों को ट्रीट करते हैं. And that is one of the biggest problem that lot of people are facing. That is one of the biggest challenges, because we don't treat ourselves like we are special or we are very important. We are always running for happiness, we are always running after other people. We want to be friend with this people, we want to get married to that person, and we are always running after other. We want others to appreciate us, we want others to accept us. And because of this lack of self love, lot of people in this world are having health issues like PCOD, PCOS. Skin problem is because of the lack of self love. If you have relationship problem because of expectation and attachment, that is because of self love. Lot of people they break up very quickly because they have fears and anxiety, and they think that this person will leave me, or I am not good enough. So ये जो thoughts आते हैं ना, I am not good enough, that is because of self love. So today I want to share with you guys 11 benefits of self love. Yes, if you start loving yourself, your life will change completely, because self love is connected to every single area of life. If you want to improve your relationship, work on self love. If you want to improve your career, work on self love. If you want to heal your body, work on self love. If you want to be happy and positive, work on self love. So self love is the key to success. If you practice self love, if you love yourself like you are the most special person in the world, आपकी पूरी लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी. एंड आई हैव पर्सनली चेंज माई लाइफ बाय डूइंग सेल्फ लव. सेल्फ लव इज नॉट अ प्रैक्टिस, इट्स अ लाइफ स्टाइल. सो अभी मैं हर एक चीज़ सेल्फ लव से करता हूँ. मैं पूरे दिन में एटलीस्ट 5-10 चीज़ें करता हूँ जिससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है. मैं वही चीज़ खाना खाता हूँ जिससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है, मैं वही गेम्स खेलता हूँ जिससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है, मैं अपना पैशन फॉलो करता हूँ बिकॉज उससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है, मैं ऐसे लोगों के साथ ही बात करता हूँ जिससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है. So doing what makes you happy, making your priority, like your happiness your priority, and living like respecting yourself, pampering yourself, loving yourself, that is very, very special. And I am going to share with you a lot of benefits of self-love, something that I have personally experienced. So the first benefit of self-love is that your mind becomes very positive. Yes, you become very positive in life. The second benefit of self-love, अगर आप self-love practice करोगे, the second benefit of self-love will be that your health will improve. Yes, because you will start eating better food, something that will really make you happy. So instead of feeling guilty, you will feel more happy in life when you are eating whatever you like. Okay, so this is the second benefit of self-love. The third benefit of self-love is your confidence. Yes, your confidence will improve a lot. That is something that we all want, right? The fourth benefit of self-love is we will improve our relationship with the people we love. Yes, आपके रिलेशनशिप बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव होंगे. दिस इज समथिंग विच आई हैव पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस. द फिफ्थ बेनिफिट ऑफ सेल्फ लव इज दैट योर वर्क, योर करियर विल इम्प्रूव. यू विल बी एबल टू गिव योर 100% every single day in your career. That is very, very important. The sixth benefit of self love is that you will fall in love with yourself. That feeling of love is amazing. That is like, I think love is the most positive emotion in the world. So that is something you must have experienced when you fall in love for the first time with someone. वो अलग ही इमोशन होता है, वो फीलिंग अलग ही, वो आपको कुछ भी करवा सकता है, वो इमोशन, वो फीलिंग, वो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. So that is something that you will experience. That is one of the most important benefits of doing self-love practice. Coming to the seventh benefit of self-love, you will start doing more things that makes you happy. You will start attracting more things in your life that will make you more happier. The eighth benefit of self-love is that you will start respecting yourself. That is very important. The self-respect part बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And if you start practicing self-love, you will start respecting yourself. You will start treating yourself like you are a very good person, very important person, and that is very important. The ninth benefit of self-love is you will start giving more time for self-development. You will start giving more time to read some books or do some workshops which will really help you to transform your life completely. So this is a very important benefit. The 10th benefit of self-love is that people around you, they will start to fall in love with you. Yes, because when you start to fall in love with yourself, the people around you will also start to fall in love with you. That is a very interesting change that I saw in my life. जब मैंने self-love practice करना शुरू कर दिया, मैंने ये चीज़ नोटिस किया कि जो लोग मेरे पास बात करने भी नहीं आते थे, वो लोग मेरे से फ्रेंड बनना चाहते, वो लोग मेरे साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहते थे. So yeah, it was fun. It was a great experience. And coming to the final, the 11th benefit of self-love is that your entire life would be magical. You will experience a lot of miracles happening every single day of your life. Yes, so this is why I personally believe that every single person should live their life with self-love. And I'm also going to share more videos on how to start practicing self-love. So keep watching my videos, guys. If you really like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much. I will be back with more videos. So thank you so much, guys, and have a super duper magical day. Thank you so much.